Okay, articles or articoli, which means we are on the third rung of our pyramid. So we're making some progress. This is good. Okay, articles. What is an article? Un articolo is the tiny word that comes before a noun, such as the and a or an in English. For example, I have the book, you have a book, and this is an apple. Okay, so these are the articles right here. Here's a definite article, an indefinite, and an indefinite article. How many types of articles are there? There are two main types of articles, definite and indefinite. How many articles are there in Italian? In English, we only have one definite article, the, and two indefinite articles, a and an. But in Italian, we have several of each type because it has to agree with the noun it's referring to. So there's only 3 in English, but there's actually 11 articles in Italian. Okay. So we're gonna head on into it and figure out when to use each type of article.